Select the desired function from the hard buttons on the left or in the touchscreen. The Reset key clears all settings back to the default. Use the number keys to enter the desired quantity of copies or the user code if the user codes have been enabled. Pressing the Clear key clears the quantity only. Enter the desired setting including the total number of copies, and Start. Press the Stop key to stop, copy, fax, and print jobs. A green diamond will be lit on the Start key when the device is ready. If you see a red diamond center of the Start key, read the display near the top of the touchscreen to determine why the device is not ready. Press the Energy Saver button to bring out of Energy Saver mode. The Login Logout key is for admin use only. Pressing it will not clear a user code if user codes have been enabled. To clear user code, press the Clear and Reset buttons together. The User Tools/Counter allows administrators to make configuration settings. The counter is the meter reading of the device. Pressing the Simple Screen key changes the view on the display to a larger, more basic view with less options. It is designed for visually impaired users or users just wanting to use the most basic functions.